Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we just got back from Puerto Vallarta. Beautiful place. We had been to the Cancun region and Cabo region before, but never to Puerto Vallarta. And we had a great time. Beautiful mountainous area. We didn't expect that at all. And the town was very walkable, friendly, beautiful town. We had a great time walking around, seeing the sights, exploring, and we stayed right by the marina and really enjoyed walking just that area around the hotel. And before our trip, we researched the top 3 restaurants in that area and wanted to share those with you now. So we took a look at Tripadvisor and looked at the top ranked restaurants, and the top 3 in third place is Tuna Azul in the romantic zone of downtown Vallarta. Located right in the thick of the romantic zone action on the bustling corner, Tuna Azul is hard to miss with its vibrant energy spilling out onto the street. You'll usually find it buzzing with both locals and tourists, which is always a good sign. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a bright and airy space with a distinctly Mexican feel. The decor is colorful and inviting, often featuring local artwork and a lively ambiance. Many tables offer open-air seating, perfect for soaking in the romantic zone vibes and people watching. It's a great spot for a casual lunch or a fun dinner with friends. As the name suggests, Tuna Azul specializes in seafood, particularly tuna, but their menu boasts a fantastic variety of fresh catches and Mexican-inspired dishes. In second place is Vallarta Factory. Vallarta Factory restaurant sits in a unique spot right in the center of Puerto Vallarta that combines delicious food with a taste of local craftsmanship. It's a place where you can enjoy a meal and soak in the local culture. It's often described as a Mexican bistro, offering a casual yet stylish setting. This place offers a wide variety of options, from authentic Mexican dishes to pizzas and pastries. And don't forget to check out their chocolate. As the name suggests, they have a chocolate factory on site, offering handcrafted chocolates that are perfect for dessert or a souvenir. In first place is the restaurant Casa Nicole. This place is a hidden gem nestled within the Casa Nicole Boutique Hotel in the heart of the romantic zone. They are particularly popular for their breakfast, but also offer lunch and dinner options. The menu also includes a variety of fresh juices, smoothies, and other breakfast beverages. So those are the top-ranked restaurants in Puerto Vallarta according to Tripadvisor reviews. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other restaurants in town you'd like to recommend. If you got any value from this video, please like and subscribe for upcoming reviews of the best travel spots in the world. See you next time.